Hello, my friends. Today we will visit farms in Australia to explore how farmers here raise, transport, and process millions of pigs each year. According to the Australian Bureau of Statistics (ABS), in 2023, the country raised approximately 3 million pigs, distributed across more than 85,000 farms. New South Wales has the highest number of farms, followed by Victoria and Queensland. Now the journey of the pigs begins in the sow area, where adorable piglets are born. During the first 4 to 5 weeks, the piglets are nursed by their mothers and receive careful attention to ensure they are in the best possible health. After the newborn period, piglets will be moved to the grazing area. They can freely play in spacious spaces, mingling with nature. Free-range pork is always rated higher than centralized pork. One of the highlights of the Australian pig farming industry is its strong commitment to environmental protection. A key initiative is the conversion of pig manure into biogas. This not only helps reduce the negative environmental impact by minimizing waste, but also generates a source of clean energy. In addition to producing biogas, pig manure is also used to create organic fertilizer. It is estimated that over 500,000 tons of this fertilizer are produced annually in Australia, helping to improve soil quality and reduce reliance on chemical fertilizers. Another aspect we highly appreciate is Australia's strong focus on animal welfare in pig farming. Farms must strictly adhere to regulations regarding living space, food, water, and the environment. This ensures that pigs are raised in the best possible conditions, free from stress and illness. One more piece of information for you. Australia is a leading nation in phasing out cramped pig stalls. Instead, farms are transitioning to more animal-friendly free-range housing. Are you impressed with this approach to pig farming in Australia? Comment 1 if you agree, or 2 if you think this might reduce production. Pigs are raised until they reach an optimal market weight of around 220 to 265 pounds. The rearing period typically lasts between 5 to 6 months. Before being sent to market, the pigs undergo health checks to ensure they are disease-free and fit for transport. They are transported in specialized trucks designed to ensure comfort and safety throughout the journey. These trucks are equipped with excellent ventilation systems to keep the pigs from getting too hot or too cold. Transporting pigs from the farm to the processing plant is typically done within a short time frame to minimize stress on the animals. The average transport time usually ranges from a few hours to a day. Pork processing plants in Australia are equipped with advanced machinery such as deboners, cutters, and packaging machines to optimize production efficiency. The processing procedure involves multiple stages of strict quality checks to ensure that the pork meets high standards for quality and food safety. After processing, pork products are carefully packaged to maintain freshness and quality. An efficient distribution network ensures that these products reach consumers quickly and safely. Australia's pig farming and pork processing industry not only meets domestic demand but also plays a significant role in the export market. With a total processing output of approximately 1.5 million tons in 2023, Australia is one of the leading global suppliers of high-quality pork products. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful or interesting, please hit the like button and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future exciting content. Your support is very important to us. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.